Hi, my name is Steven. Trading isn't just about complex strategies and indicators. Sometimes the simplest tools can provide accurate signals. Today, I'm going to explain how to use the parabolic ACR and stochastic oscillator to understand when the market is ready to reverse or continue a trend. My current balance is $1,000 and I will be using these indicators to find precise entry points. Everything will be transparent, no magic, just real trading and attention to details. Subscribe and like if you want to understand how these indicators help in real practice. First things first, let's get our trading tools ready. If you need the promo code for a deposit bonus, I'll leave it in the description. On the chart, I set up classic candles and choose 30-second time frame. Then we head over to the indicators tab and select parabolic ACR and stochastic oscillator. Let's set up the parabolic ACR first. Set acceleration to 0.03. Then set maximum acceleration to just 0.3. Then go to style, make the main line yellow and set the width to 2, and then just click save. Now it's time for stochastic oscillator. Set K period to 10. Then in the style, make K period green and set the width to 2. Make D period red and set the width to 2 as well. Make the 80 and 20 lines white and set the width to 2. Then drag opacity all the way to the right and save it. Our indicators are ready to go now. If you're trading on your phone, set up everything the same way. And if you've been looking for a way to make real money, anywhere from $50 to $700 a day, and you don't want to pay for access, I've got a solution for you. I'm inviting you to join my trading team. How to join? Go to the description below this video, click the link and join the private group. Send me a message, I want to join the team. I'll get working tools, precise signals, and my support, all of it with no payment, no hidden conditions. Join now, my friend. First situation today, expiration is 2 minutes and I'm opening a sell trade for $1,000. Now I'll show you exactly how this strategy works and why I picked this moment to enter. The parabolic ACR indicator gives the first signal. Its dots are above the candles, which is a direct confirmation of current downtrend. This tells us that the seller pressure is still there and the market is likely to keep falling. The second signal comes from the stochastic oscillator. Its lines cross the upper white boundary from top to bottom and are continuing to move downwards. This indicator behavior points to a shift in momentum and an increase in downward pressure, which perfectly aligns with the trend direction on the chart. With these two signals line up, it makes the entry point more reliable and gives me confidence in the continuing downward movement. Boom! The first trade worked out. I made $920. Moving on to the next opportunity. Clear signal, expiration is 2 minutes and I'm opening a buy trade for $1,500. The market is starting to show signs of shift in momentum. After a long downtrend, things have changed quite a bit. There are signals that buyers are slowly taking control. The first thing that stands out, it's how the decline has changed. Before, the price was aggressively dropping with long red candles, but now the downward impulse looks weaker and shorter. Sellers can't put the same pressure on anymore, and that's a big sign that downtrend is weakening. Also, the upward movement have started to look much stronger. Prices are rising with clear green candles accompanied by increased volumes, and most importantly, the price is holding at the levels it reaches instead of sliding back. This tells us that demand is becoming steady and buyers are slowly starting to dominate. All of this creates the conditions for a solid reversal. If the current trend continues, we can expect a new upward phase to begin soon. And the trade closed with profit plus $1,380. I'm still watching the market closely. Another entry point expiration is 2 minutes and I'm opening a buy trade for $2,000. The indicators completely match the strategy's conditions. The chart clearly confirms a strong momentum. It's definitely a good time to enter. The market has finally broken out of a long sideways range. The price confidently broke through the consolidation level and moved up with the noticeable strength. This isn't just a random fluctuation, it's a real impulse signaling that buyers have accumulated enough liquidity for active moves. On the chart, you can clearly see how a long wait and quiet phase turned into a confident upward movement. Each new candle is becoming stronger and the pullbacks are shorter and weaker. This is a sign that sellers are losing ground and the market is confidently moving up under the pressure of bullish traders. Guys, if you have any questions after watching this video or if anything is unclear to you, don't hesitate to message me privately on Telegram. I'm always available and happy to help you figure everything out. And profit again. I got another $1,840. My pocket option balance keeps growing. Let's keep it up. Here's a great situation. Expiration is 2 minutes and I'm opening a sell trade for $2,000. A clear directional movement is forming on the chart and the technical indicators confidently confirm a reversal. Everything is lining up for a smart market entry. The appearance of large red candles is especially worth highlighting. They are a strong signal of seller dominance and reflect significant pressure on the price. Such impulses usually don't happen by chance. They indicate that a strong downward force is at play in the market and it is only gaining momentum. This isn't just a short-term reaction, but a sign of a full-blown downtrend forming. When sellers are confidently controlling the momentum and they're not giving the price a chance to recover, the likelihood of continued decline significantly increases. These are exactly the moments that offer the best opportunities for a well-planned entry, given the strength of the impulse and the consistent signals from the indicators. The current situation gives a strong reason to expect a confident downward movement and potential profits. Awesome result. This trade brought in another $1,840. My total balance is already $6,980. Let's wrap it up. What a trading session. I increased my balance from $1,000 to $6,980. That's seriously powerful. This kind of growth is the result of a solid strategy and the right decisions every step of the way. If you have any questions or you want to dive deeper into the specifics of this method, don't be shy, message me on Telegram. Thanks for liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support motivates me to keep sharing useful content. I'm Steven. See you next time. Have a good one.